Number 20, 21, 22. It gives us a discriminant value and says, hey, how many times does this guy cross the x-axis? Well, if the discriminant value is a positive 5, as it says right here, well, that means when you're doing it, you're going to have the opposite of b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. It means this in here was a 5. So you were going to end up doing a negative number plus the square root of 5 all divided by 2a and opposite of b minus it. You're going to get two solutions. That tells you this is a parabola that's coming through in two spots. You get two solutions. That's a parabola crossing twice. So we're going to pick A for number 20. It's crossing the x-axis at 2 points. Let's say the discriminant value is a 0. So if that's a 0 up there, you're going to have the opposite of B. I'm going to pretend it's like a 6. Plus or minus square root of 0 over 2a. We'll pretend you just have 2 times 1, 2. You're going to be doing negative 6 plus square root of 0, negative 6 minus 0, all divided by 2. You're going to get the same answer. You're going to get one answer. What that means is this is a parabola just crossing in one spot, and that's it. So it's going to be crossing just at one point. Just like there's only one solution, that one solution is the one spot it crosses. Now, 22, the discriminant is a negative value. That means this b squared minus 4ac piece was a negative number, meaning you couldn't do it. Underneath the square root, you had a negative number. So you had, let's say, like negative 6 plus or minus the square root, in this case, negative 9 over 2. You can't go any further. You can't take the square root of a negative 9. That's an imaginary number. So there is no solution here, which graph-wise, if there's no solution, it means the graph is maybe above this x-axis. It's never crossing it. So it's C in this case for number 22.